alkene. Hydroboration, oxidation of alkenes आहे ते alkene. Hydroboration, oxidation of alkene. This reaction also we can study in the last year also in the reactions of alkene. Reactions of the alkene, that is the topic of hydrocarbons आहे तो hydrocarbon मध्ये. Hydroboration आहे in that hydroboration reaction when the diborane can be reacted with alkene firstly to form the trialkyl borane. In that reaction, firstly diborane. Diborane means B2S6. Diborane is nothing but this is B2S6, and this B2S6 can be reacted with B2S6 reacted with B2S6 आहे तो B2S6 काय केला आपण react आहे तो react केला कोणाबरोबर react करतो तो alkenes आहे ते alkene बरोबर react करतो. When it can be reacted with alkene, when it can be reacted with alkene, then that alkene to form the trialkyl borane, to form the trialkyl borane, त्यापासून आपला trialkyl borane आहे तो trialkyl borane चं formation होतं आणि this trialkyl borane on the oxidation by using the hydrogen peroxide in presence of alkali then to form the alcohol. Okay, see, when this alkene firstly reacted with the diborane, or diborane can be treated with the alkene and to form trialkyl borane, to form the trialkyl borane. When that trialkyl borane on the hydrolysis, when that trialkyl borane on the hydrolysis, when the trialkyl borane on the hydrolysis or on the oxidation to form the alcohol in presence of the alkali by using the peroxide, by using the peroxide. See, in that reaction, firstly diborane can be reacted with alkene. We can take example as alkene CH2 double bond CH2, CH2 double bond CH2. When this alkene reacted with, when this alkene reacted with B2S6 diborane, B2S6, CH2 double bond CH2 can reacted with B2S6, then this hydrogen atom can be added to one carbon atom, boron can be added to this carbon atom, and 6 molecules of the CH2 double bond CH2 when the reacted then to form the trialkyl borane, to form the trialkyl borane CH3 CH2 3B. This is the 2 molecules. This is called as a triethyl or triethylene borane. This is the triethylene borane. Okay, this triethylene borane on the oxidation by using the peroxide, triethylene borane on the oxidation by using the peroxide. See, CH3 CH2 3B plus, this is hydrogen peroxide H2O2, hydrogen peroxide H2O2 in presence of the alkali NaOH. In the presence of the alkali NaOH, then this part BOH thrice is removed and then to form the alcohol CH3 CH2 OH plus BOH thrice ethanol, to form the ethanol. See again, firstly we can take this alkene ethylene. When this ethylene can be reacted with B2S6 diborane, reacted with diborane, then to form triethylene borane, to form the triethylene borane. Okay, when this triethylene borane on the oxidation by using the peroxide or alkaline solution of the peroxide, alkaline solution of the peroxide, then to form alcohol, to form the alcohol. Understand this? To form the alcohol. क्लिअर झालं का बघा? पहिल्यांदा आपण काय घेतोय याच्यामध्ये अल्किन घेतला, फिर अल्किन रिएक्टेड विथ B2S6, अल्किनचे B2S6 बरोबर रिएक्शन आहे ते रिएक्शन केली, B2S6 बरोबर रिएक्शन केल्यानंतर काय तयार होतं याच्यामध्ये ट्राइथिलीन बोरेन जातो ट्राइथिलीन बोरेन दॅट इज वी कॅन से ट्राअल्काइल बोरेन this B boron can be attached to this carbon hydrogen can be attached to this carbon atom and then to form the triethylene boron. This triethylene boron on oxidation by using the hydrogen peroxide oxidation केलं by using the hydrogen peroxide जे आहे तो हायड्रोजन पेरॉक्साइड यूज करून त्याचं ऑक्सिडेशन केलं इन प्रेझेन्स ऑफ द NaOH in the presence of the NaOH then to form the ethanol then to form the ethanol CH3CH2OH CH3CH2OH plus BOH thrice plus BOH thrice ethanol आलं लक्षात आहे in that hydroboration oxidation method the addition of diborane can be takes place according to the anti-Markovnikov's rule. The addition of the diborane can be takes place according to the anti-Markovnikov's rule. That is, this boron can be attached to the carbon atom which has a less substituent. Boron can be attached to carbon atom which has a less substituent. Which has the less सबस्टिट्युएंट बोरॉन जो आहे तो बोरॉन अशा कार्बन एटमला अटॅच होतो की त्याला सबस्टिट्युएंटची संख्या काय असते कमी म्हणजेच काय द बोरॉन कॅन बी अटॅच द कार्बन एटम विच कॅरीज लेस मोर हायड्रोजन एटम कॅरीज द मोर हायड्रोजन एटम्स अकॉर्डिंग दॅट इज द अकॉर्डिंग टू द anti-Markovnikov's rule. See example CH3 CH double bond CH2 this is unsymmetrical alkene propane. When that propane reacted with B2S6 when that propane reacted with the B2S6 then the addition can be takes place according to the anti-Markovnikov's rule. The boron can be attached to this carbon atom. Boron can be attached to this carbon atom because of this carbon atom is less substituted carbon atom or carries more hydrogen atom and then this hydrogen atom can be attached to this carbon atom. Okay, and then to form CH3 CH2 thrice tripropylene borane. Tripropylene borane that boron can be attached to the carbon atom which carries the less substituents, that is carbon atom which carries more hydrogen atom, that is addition can be takes place according to the anti-Markovnikov's rule. Addition can be takes place according to the anti-Markovnikov's rule and then to form this is the tripropylene borane, and this tripropylene borane on oxidation by using the peroxide, that is in NaOH, in the presence of the NaOH, then to form alcohol. See CH3 CH2 CH2 3 this is the boron plus hydrogen peroxide in presence of the NaOH alkali, or also we can take the KOH, then to form the CH3 CH2 CH2OH. This bond is break, then this BOH thrice is removed, boron hydroxides, and to form this is the primary alcohol. Understand this, that this method is used for the preparation of the primary alcohol. These two examples. This is one example and this is the second example. This is symmetrical alkene and this is unsymmetrical alkene. Actually, the addition of the diborane can be takes place according to the anti-Markovnikov's rule. The yield obtained by this method is very excellent yield. जो प्रोडक्ट मिळणार आहे तो प्रोडक्ट हा एक्सलंट प्रोडक्ट जो आहे तो प्रोडक्ट आहे. And this method is conveniently used for the preparation of the primary alcohol by hydration method. In that reaction, this diborane oxidation can be takes place more conveniently by using the complex BH3THF. By using the complex BH3THF. What is the BH3THF? This is a diborane tetrahydrofuran. Diborane tetrahydrofuran complex can be used. In case this diborane is used for the reaction conversion of the alkene into the alcohol, and this is used as a solvent. This tetrahydrofuran can be used as a solvent, and then yield can be obtained by using this convenient reagent to form the primary alcohols. Also, this can be prepared the second or tertiary alcohols also, but addition can be takes place according to the anti-Markovnikov rule. See the one more example. See this example: CH3, CH double bond CH2. CH3, CH3, CH double bond CH2. In that case, the hydration can be hydroboration, oxidation can be takes place by using the TH as a complex, followed by hydrolysis in presence of the alkali NaOH. Okay. In shortly, can understand the OH group can be attached to the carbon atom which carries the more hydrogen atom. Therefore, to form the product CH3, CH, CH3, CH2, CH2OH. बघा लक्षात आलं का? हा जो कंपाऊंड घेतला आपण याच्यामध्ये, ह्या कंपाऊंडचं नेम काय असणार आहे? 1 2 3 4 3-methyl bute 1-ene. Okay, by hydroboration oxidation method, by using the TH3THF followed by oxidation by using the alkali peroxide, then the addition can be takes place across this carbon-carbon double bond. The addition can be takes place according to the anti-Markovnikov rule. The OH is attached to this carbon atom, then to form the CH2OH. You can write in the single step only. Okay, by using this hydroboration oxidation method. Instead of that one, so we can acid hydration can be takes place. Instead of that one, we can take the acid hydration CH3, CH, CH3, CH double bond CH2. In the acid hydration H3O plus HOH. In that acid hydration, the addition can be takes place according to the Markovnikov rule. The OH group is attached to the carbon atom which carries the more hydrogen atom, and then to form the product CH3, COH, CH2, CH3. बघा असं का झालं असेल याच्यामध्ये बघूया आपण. Actually, this OH group is attached to this carbon atom according to the Markovnikov rule, but that OH group is attached to this carbon atom. Because of this reaction is formation of the carbocation. This reaction involves the intermediate is the formation of the carbocation. This can be converted into the carbocation. Suppose this CH3, then this CH here carbocation is the form, and to form CH.